Yo, yo, yo. Oh, man. I'm back with another one. Back with another one. A little tired. I was up earlier this morning. I was up at like 3 o'clock. I didn't trade anything. Just up watching. Let's look at the daily. So we got this gap in price right now. Oh, excuse me. This gap in price. I said, excuse me, I am tired. We got all these lows down here. Let's see, what is the December Z? Let's see. I don't think we have anything today. Those I hit at 7:30. I like these lows down here. So I'm gonna look for anything to get me low this morning. Like that right there. One more thing. Let me check and see the we're on Z. What is it? NQZ 2025. NQZ20. And this is the December contract. I'm going to go through and change all these. And then we're going to switch to the Z. Our volume, open interest. I'm looking for the contract rollover. It's still September. Oh, shit. Let's see if I can clip this to my shirt and it'll be fine. Probably not, but we're going to find out because I'm sick of holding it. I need to get the magnetized freaking the magnetized microphones. Oh man. I think we're gonna go with the Z. So we got what, 3 days before it fucking. All right, let me get rid of all these. ESZ 2025, ESZ 2025, M M E S MESZ 2025. MQ 2025. What is? Oh no, not U. QU. And we're gonna get rid of all these U's and stick to the Z. Trade that new contract. All right. And then switch it over here. Trading the Z. Full screen. Let's see, what else do we need? I think that's it. I believe that is it. Got a 5-minute here. Excuse me. So I gotta go back and put my days on here. My separators for my days. I want to see if we can get up here. If so, I'm gonna go short, targeting these. We got 3, so we'll do 3. Oh, why won't let me put so I want to see how we respond up into this 5-minute right here. Oh, snaps. I'm favoring shorts to get down in here. Like I said, I want to see if we could test this again. Don't really look like we're going to. Oh. Like I said, we want to see if we can retest this. Excuse me. Oh man. Bum bum bum. Yeah, the woman is messy looking. Look at that. Blah 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 blah. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I wanted to see if we can retest this 5-minute, but on the 1-minute, I do like this. I don't even think. Oh wow, that was delayed. That was hella delayed. What is new day? My computer's moving super slow. I'll take 6 off there, and then we'll see how the market responds. Oh my goodness gracious. In the 1 minute structure, this is what it looks like. That's the opening range gap, consequent encroachment. Oh, wait. Oh, 7. I'm going to leave 2. So, I guess what I do like is we ran this low, we created a civvy, wicked up into it. And I want to see it come down lower. See if we can tag the 7, and then I'll leave the 2 to get down here. Yeah, I'm about to start peeling stuff off. Oh. Wicked in the bottom. Again, I want to see it get below at least tag consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. We'll see if we can get that. Back up to the higher time frame. You got 2 minutes left in this 5-minute candle. We just tagged consequent encroachment. And then let's see if I can get my. If I would have left it, already been tagged. We already would have been out. Cool. I like that. We got a minute 15 on this 5-minute. I want to see it push through this consequent encroachment. Hit my limit order, and then that will leave 2. Yeah, there's the consequent encroachment. I might just close that and take this out. Just kidding. All right, there's the 7. I'm gonna put 1 here and then 1 there. Then bring my thing back up to 7, 8, 9. Buy. Buy. Really don't want to see a return back up to there, so we're gonna put it. Oh, that's where it's like I don't know where to put it. No. Sorry about that. And I'm pretty sure I traded yesterday, but I don't think I recorded a video. I'm not sure. Oh wait, yeah, I did trade yesterday. I did trade yesterday. After fighting through all the losses, we ended up we ended up back to where we were, plus some. And then this morning, we're still in it. We're still in it. Turn this ringer off. It's by a fake ass number. So we just hit consequent encroachment. 24, 115. Where's this at? 24,117 and a quarter. I'm not sure, but I'm about to copy and paste. Copy, paste. Oh, it's right there. Oh, wait, that was the old contract. So that's not going to work. So I have to redo all my new week opening gaps and stuff this week. But that's okay. Rejection off of this. Let me get consequent encroachment of this said wick. I'm going to close that. That's the thing. I didn't have to close it. That's funny. We're below consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. Dang, I should have left my two targets. Let it run. Because what do I see? Rejection off this 5 minute right here. So 5 minute. We have a sippy within that 5 minute. That was a nice entry too. See, and that's where it's like, I'm gonna take all of it because there's gaps in price, right? So there's about 46 today. So, and again, with it being FMOC, yeah, we switched the volume. Yeah, see, that hit today. That's tomorrow. This is Thursday. Friday is the contract expiration. So, yeah, man, I'm okay with what I put on the account. Oh, geez, Louise. Like I said, I'm tired. I was up early this morning. I don't know what for. So I'm just at get up at 3 o'clock. So that's what I did. So yeah. I like lows, considering that we just made a new high. Not saying we can't continue to go make another high. Just I like the lows for the rest of the day, especially if we stay. Excuse me. Especially if we stay below this consequent encroachment of the opening range gap, then I would definitely be liking lows. Another reason why I like lows. Excuse me. Again, we ran all these old highs. So now we're at a premium. And I know the market has to go to a discount. What am I doing? I'm getting distracted. Where's my 1 a.m.? What the heck? At 11. I go straight to 12. What day is that? September 9th? One day. Let's see. I would like to see the market come and fill this. And fill this as well. Like I said, I'm okay with what I did this morning. It was acceptable for my liking. Was that one trade? Was it 9 contracts? And we were looking for lows. And we got one confirmation here, 5 minute. After we ran the London low, we created a SIBI, sell side, buy side imbalance. Right here, came down, never closed above halfway. So that was an entry. You could put the stop loss at the top of the volume imbalance. Like I said, I'm I'm okay with what I've done today. Yeah, I'm okay with that. We'll just watch and see if we can continue to get low. If I would have left my targets where they would have been hit, and it looks like they would have. Oh, snaps. Understand my love. You just look at me and shrug. I've been trying more than ever. Doesn't last forever. Yeah. Roller coaster. Oh, ghosting. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. It could have been more, but like I said, I'm okay. There it is. Entered off of this. Wicked up there. That was the first one. Took another two here, halfway, and then I closed it here. I mean, I should have just let it run, but again, I was okay. But what I have done, and I'm sure someone's, well, you could have had more. You could have did this. You could have did that. I don't care. Like I'm okay. I've never, done this before. Yeah, I'm all right. Not that I haven't done it before. When I say, I guess I haven't, earned that kind of money before. So it's more than I've ever earned in my working career. Actually, excuse me, in one day. Go back up to 5 minutes. I'm looking at two 1 minute charts. Is this gonna do anything for me? Same thing. Gap in price went up. Never got to constant encroachment. We waked up into this one. Waked up into this one. So yeah, like I said, I'm cool with what I've done this morning. Really not trying to spend all day here. Um, like I said, I like these lows. If I was to take another short, my next target profit would be halfway between this low and that low. Be this one. If we can get below that, I would target this, the low from yesterday. And so yesterday, when I was looking for lows, um, like I wanted to see the market go short here because I figured these are too clean. But then after looking at what I did, well, no, it wasn't going to go because of these two. It ran these two lows right here, didn't get here, left consequent encroachment of this. And like I said yesterday, with us making a new high, longs, I'm not going to say they scare me, but just the uncertainty and not knowing where it's going to go. It's like, I'd rather not. I like this. That's relative equal lows right here. So now the question is, was this low, these lows enough to keep it from going lower? Or okay, let me think. These lows right here with the market coming down, closing below it, was that enough to say, okay, well, we don't want to go any lower. We're not interested. We want to go higher because we do have a 5-minute civvy up here and a 5-minute civvy down there. But again, with us being at a premium, I want to see it go to a deep discount. I like these lows down here. Let's see. Well, we just ran this. See what it looks like on the 1 minute. We're in what, September 16th. We keep moving at the speed of light. You gotta be kidding me. But this is no joke. This is real life. Matter of fact, this is what these dreams really feel like. Step to the stage. They said, "This is your life." I said, "Yeah, I know. This is also my life." So September 1st, we started with 225,543.54. And then we're at, I just want to see what I've done in September. Moving at the speed of September. Today's the 16th. Minus 257,107. Yeah, I know. I was supposed to do it the other way. I know. I was supposed to do it the other way. So just in September alone, we're about halfway. That's 31,000. In the month of September, I just want to hang here. Yeah, man, I'm done. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm exhausted. So that being said, people, we took something out this morning. It was about 4,600, give or take. Like I said, I like those lows, but we got equal highs up here. Right, sure. So again, for us to go lower, I would like to see us stay below consequent encroachment halfway of this. If we were to go higher, I would like to see a rejection off of this, off the top half, to go up here. But hey, I'm done. Hope everyone is doing well. I hope, you're pursuing something you want to pursue, and I hope you're doing exactly what you want to do, because there's only you. There's definitely not a two. We're still individuals on our own mission, our own path. But as long as we get there, we do our own math. No cheating, no copying, because that shit'll bite you in the ass. Be one and the same when we run in this game. Guarantee we gonna pass. Yeah, I'm out. Love and live life, my beautiful people. La 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 la. I'll holler.